All right, so we're just finishing up this 2005 Softail seat. This customer actually wanted us to lower the seat as much as we could. This is an aftermarket seat, so if you look at the bottom, you can see it's actually raised up pretty high. So even though it looks wider on the side, there's really not a lot of cushion. What we end up doing is we cut it right down to the actual metal bays. Then we put a half inch of a special dense foam on there, sculpted that down to 1/4 of an inch. Then he wanted a diamond stitch pleat. Normally we'll actually do half-inch sew foam that we sew these diamonds to, and it gives it a little bit of a puff, but because he wanted to sit lower, we only did a 1/4 inch sew foam. So now from the seat pan, he's only about a half inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch off. This way he's very low. We don't recommend it for comfort because it's not comfortable, but he's a very light-weighted guy, so he says he doesn't really care about that, and comfort's not his issue. He wants to be down. We also shave the sides of it here so that it brings your legs in, because just lowering the seat and not shaving the sides actually will bring you down, but it doesn't really help you a lot. When you shave this inner leg, it really helps you get stable and flat-footed on the ground. He wanted to actually customize the seat with an imitation leather, and originally wanted to do these diamonds in the heavier red thread like you see here. About 10 minutes before we were about to sew it up, he popped in and said, "Can I change it?" He got scared that the red was going to be too much, so he said, "Can we do black diamonds on the top with the heavier stitch, and then just one red single top stitch around the sides?" So that's what we did. Imitation leather, heavy thread, diamonds, and he has a cool little seat.